Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove unknown devices from Instagram. So if you notice a device you don't recognize in your Instagram account, you should remove it immediately to help keep your account secure. Instagram lets you review all devices, currently log in into your account, and sign out any suspicious sessions. So start by opening the Instagram app and tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right. Once you're here, go to Account Center at the top, then select password and security. Then tap where you're login. So scroll down and you should see where you're login. So click on that. Choose your Instagram account if you have more than one. So you'll see a list of devices and locations where your account is currently signed in. So review the list carefully and look for any device or location you don't recognize. Now tap the unknown device, then select log out or log out this device and confirm your choice to remove that device from your account. So click log out to confirm the action, and this device will be logged out of your device or account. So for extra security, change your Instagram password immediately after logging out unknown devices. It's also a good idea to enable 2FA or two factor authentication in the password and security section so that even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to access your account without a verification code. And that's it. You successfully remove unknown devices from your Instagram account and taken steps to better protect it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.